नहीं, ये जो एआई का सिस्टम है, ताकत है कि ये माइक्रो टारगेटिंग कर सकता है कम्युनिटीज का, लोगों के खिलाफ। तो आप क्या सोचते हैं कि इसका चुनाव में किस तरह से इस्तेमाल हो सकता है, या होगा, या हो रहा है?
इसका चुनाव में बुरी तरह से उपयोग होगा। सबसे पहले तो हम मानते हैं कि वी नीड टू बिल्ड ट्रस्ट इन अवर इलेक्शन process. We have lost trust. I have lost trust. I don't care what people say. But the electronic voting machine has created a lot of doubts in the minds of the people. I don't know who is right. I don't know who is wrong. I don't know how much cheating is happening or how much cheating is not happening. But if I have to start fresh and build trust personally, I would like to go back to paper ballot in the next election. It'll be a reset. Then maybe, 10 years from now, we can introduce some new technology. But enough conversation has taken place in the country at various levels, which tell me that we have lost trust in the
We have
system.
lost trust in the election process or election commission of India, ये आपका कहना है।
So
और
unless
इसी
and
के साथ
until we
साथ
go to paper ballot in the next election, there is no trust. Now, who is right, who is wrong, I'm not there to debate.
नहीं, तो आपको एक, जो अभी हम एआई की बात करें, एआई का एक दुरुपयोग डीप फेक फर्जी वीडियो बना करके बिल्कुल पता ही नहीं चलता हो सकता है। तो क्या आपको लगता है कि भारत के चुनाव आयोग को या इलेक्शन रूल्स में एआई के इस्तेमाल पर बैन लगा देना चाहिए, प्रतिबंध होना चाहिए कैंपेनिंग में?
I'm not in power. Nobody's going to pay attention to what I say. But I would like to really focus on two things. One, go to paper ballot. And two, completely reduce election expense by avoiding all the advertisement, all public rallies. Don't spend money on public rallies. What is the sense in people going all the way, flying and addressing, 10 lakh, 5 lakh people? Poor people are waiting in the heat, and you give same lecture over and over again. Okay? And you don't mean what you say, and you don't say what you mean. But in the process, you spend crores and crores of rupees in hoardings and in, rallies. Stop all that. Save money. And saying whatever the party candidate has to say, they can say it on their portal, on the social media, and small gatherings. 50, 10, 20 people go door to door and talk. What is the sense in Prime Minister spending public money, traveling all over the country and campaigning? That's not his job.
और उसमें डायलॉग नहीं होता लोगों के साथ?
या कुछ नहीं, वो तो खाली गप मार के बोल देते ना, जो मन में आया वो, इसको गाली देते हैं, उसको गाली देते हैं, कोई भी, anybody. So if you do these two things, saying paper ballot and no campaigning for anybody, आप लोकल जाइए, लोकल कैंडिडेट को दीजिए, आप घर घर जाइए, बात करिए लोगों से, समझाइए लोगों को, but don't have this expensive hoarding, big campaigns, rallies, and waste of thousands and thousands of crores of public money. ये क्या चीज है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन we do it. So one who has power and profit controls the election. आप देखिए, ये जो आपने बताया था पहले कॉकरोच जनता का, what it basically says to me is that today young people are very dissatisfied. Young people today feel that they have no voice. They have no jobs. They have no future. And that is the message which comes out loud and clear. But how do we respond to that message? Whether 5 million or 10 million.
बैन लगा के उनके हैंडल्स पे बैन कर दिया, ये रिस्पॉन्ड है, उनके वेबसाइट बंद कर दिया.
Well, that's not the answer. Okay. आप सुनिए यंग लोगों को, give them a voice, you know, listen to them, talk to them. आप मिलिए उनसे. Okay. अब आप रैली करेंगे यंग लोगों की, लेकिन आप मिलेंगे नहीं उससे. You see, there is a difference in rally and meeting. इलेक्शन टाइम में रैलीज होती हैं to broadcast your same message over and over again, as opposed to interacting with people.
इसका एक पहलू और है सैम साहब कि अब सच और झूठ के बीच में फर्क करना मुश्किल हो गया. जो एआई का जमाना है, इसमें चाहे वीडियो हो, चाहे खबरें हो, चाहे
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सच है.
तो इसको कैसे, और ये तो चुनावों में बहुत ही नुकसान कर सकता है डेमोक्रेसी के लिए.
See, each voter will have to get more aware. Each voter has to be empowered. कि भाई मुझे सोचना है कौन अच्छा है कौन बुरा है. आप मुझे नहीं समझा सकते, आप मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं, लेकिन अल्टीमेट डिसीजन विल हैव टू बी माइन कि ये अच्छा कैंडिडेट है, ये बुरा कैंडिडेट, ये अच्छी पार्टी है, ये बुरी पार्टी है, ये कह रहे हैं वो मेक सेंस, ये कह रहे हैं वो डोंट मेक सेंस. सो until you empower people with knowledge, facts, to a point they can distinguish between lies and truth, there is no real democracy.
क्या आपको लगता है कि एआई के इस्तेमाल से ये पोलराइजेशन चुनावों में इसका बढ़ाया जा सकता है, और फेक न्यूज का इस्तेमाल करके या और तरीकों से इसको कैसे
होगा? ये बिल्कुल होगा. एआई का, दैट इज व्हाट दे थिंक इज द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ एआई. Confuse people. So people will have to decide their own truth. Local people will have to be talking to each other to say what is good for my community, my district, my state, my country. I can't take other people's word for it. I can't decide on fake information. And that is the challenge in the age of AI.
ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. और आपको क्या लगता है कि आज से 10 और 15 साल बाद एआई जो है लोकतंत्र को मजबूत करेगा, या ये जो हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं, जिन कारणों से चिंता प्रकट कर रहे हैं, उनसे और नुकसान पहुंचाएगा?
No, I believe in the long run, AI will empower people. AI will strengthen economy. AI will take humanity to the next level. I'm convinced.
नहीं, लेकिन अगर झूठ और नफरत फैलाया जाएगा एआई के जरिए, तब कैसे एम्पावर करेगा? अगर
I'm
पॉलिटिकल
talking about long run.
आप कई बार कहते हैं प्रॉफिट एंड पावर का गठजोड़ है. ये चंद कंपनियां हैं, उनको प्रॉफिट चाहिए, चंद पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं, उनको पावर चाहिए. और अगर ये पावर एंड प्रॉफिट का गठजोड़ होगा और फेक न्यूज फैलाएंगे, डीप फेक फैलाएंगे, पोलराइज करेंगे इलेक्शन को, नफरत फैलाएंगे, तो उससे क्या सोसाइटी को क्या एम्पावरमेंट होगा?
नहीं होगा. शॉर्ट रन में नहीं होगा. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉन्ग रन. शॉर्ट रन में तो AI गोइंग टू बी वेरी टफ on democracy, because more and more lies will be propagated, more control will be designed, more fake news would be available, more personal attacks will continue, and people will get confused. Okay. So I think next election is an opportunity for India to really transform democracy. One approach is to continue the way we are continuing. EVM, fake news, lies, big public rallies, lots of money, buying people, collecting enough power and money and profit to change the result of the election. That's one path. Another path is paper ballot. Minimize expense. No public rallies allowed. Use of AI to be monitored very closely. So anybody who is promoting fake and lies would be penalized immediately. Controlling expenses of the political parties. And show to the world that the largest democracy in the world is empowering people, building trust back in the election process, simplifying voting system, and also minimizing expense so democracy cannot be hijacked by rich and powerful.
तो इंडिया में आज जो लोग पॉलिटिक्स को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, आप बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हैं, आप उनको बहुत फेथ है उनके ऊपर?
नहीं है. Sorry, I feel bad to say that. Okay, it is shame that I have to say that. Okay, but I would be lying to you if I said something else. Okay.
तो
I have lost trust in the election process.
तो इलेक्शन प्रोसेस में आपका जो अगर ट्रस्ट खत्म हुआ है तो ये केवल इलेक्शन मशीनरी की बात नहीं है ना, ये तो जो पॉलिटिशियंस हैं उन्होंने भी आपको डिसअपॉइंट किया होगा ना.
देखिए, if you are spending this kind of money to get elected, okay, there is something wrong in the system. In a poor country like India, if you have to spend 50-100 crore to get elected, okay, it's not right. In a poor country, that is just not right. That's not democracy. That's vulgar display of wealth. Okay.
तो
this is my personal view.
तो आप इतने फिर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक क्यों हैं? इन लोगों के सहारे जैसा इलेक्शन कमीशन है, जैसा सुप्रीम कोर्ट है, 27 लाख लोगों के वोट बंगाल में काट दिए गए और उनको सुनवाई किए बिना चुनाव करा दिए गए. चुनाव आयोग उसका पार्टी है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट उसका पार्टी है, रूलिंग पार्टी उसमें पार्टी है, अपोजिशन हेल्पलेस है. Then how someone can be so optimistic?
All I can say that I'm optimistic because people in India are very intelligent. India is full of good people. Bad people may have taken over, or bad people may be more visible, or bad people may have louder voice. But India is full of talent in villages, in teachers, in women, in young people, in scientists, in engineers, in, ordinary people. And I believe these people will rise. I believe they'll be heard. And someday, hopefully before this election, people will come to their senses and say, look, maybe it is better to go to paper ballot. And maybe it is better to stop public rallies and spend thousands and thousands of crores with helicopter and special planes flying back and forth to carry 10 top leaders from all over the country. It just doesn't make sense. Let there be local participation, less expense, and real election where the real people get elected.
तो आप इसके लिए केवल ईश्वर से दुआ करेंगे, भगवान से प्रार्थना करेंगे, या जमीन पे भी लोगों के बीच कुछ करना चाहेंगे?
मैं तो क्या कर सकता हूं? मैं तो आई एम एन ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन. आई एम नॉट ए political leader. I am not a rich man. I at times feel helpless. I worry about India because India has given me so much. My parents were Indian. I'm Indian. My family has Indian gene. We speak Indian languages. We eat Indian food. I may be living in America for 62 years, but I'm very much proud of my being Indian. Okay. And I worry about, and I'll die worrying about it. Okay. That shouldn't stop me from talking. Some people may not like the way I talk, but that's okay. That's their privilege, you know.
मेरा आखिरी सवाल है कि जो आज का सिनेरियो है, जो आज के प्लेयर्स हैं, जो आज की सिचुएशन है, उसमें आपको क्या लगता है कि भारत में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस डेमोक्रेसी को और गहरा करेगा, मजबूत करेगा, या और पावरफुल लोगों के हाथ में कंट्रोल करने का औजार बन जाएगा?
अभी तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये पावरफुल लोगों के हाथ में कंट्रोल करने का औजार बन रहा है. Our Supreme Court, our election commissioner, our governments, our political parties, our civil society will have to decide together that next election is an opportunity for us to show to the world that we, as the largest democracy in the world, want democracy for the people, of the people, by the people. And we can show that only by bringing trust into the election process. And we believe the trust is all about paper ballot for the time being, right, wrong, indifferent. Second, we want to limit supply of money into the election in a big way. No public rallies. I'm just giving an example. No flying in private jets and helicopters all over the country. Meet in small groups. Talk about local issues. Don't use AI for misinformation campaign. Don't use social media to promote hate. But people will have to agree. Am I saying don't do a thing? Who am I? Unless all political parties and everybody sit across the table and decide, then it has a meaning. Okay? मेरे कहने से क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा. People will criticize. People will criticize me.
आपकी आशावादिता को हम सलाम करते हैं सैम साहब, लेकिन आज जिस तरह से गठजोड़ है चंद कैपिटलिस्ट कंपनियों का इंडिया में, पॉलिटिक्स का, उसके साथ मीडिया का, उसके साथ ब्यूरोक्रेसी का, और इन ए वे जुडिशरी का, तो उसमें इतना ऑप्टिमिस्टिक कैसे हो सकते हैं कि हम अगले चुनाव तक 3 साल में सब कुछ ठीक कर देंगे?
But 3 साल is long time. All you have to do is make a decision right now saying, hey, we'll go to paper ballot, we will not allow rally, and we will not spend so much money on election. खत्म ना, ये कोई complicated चीज है? ये क्या complicated बताइए मुझे? It is all good for public. Okay? Don't argue. Just do it. Okay? अगर argue करेंगे कि I'm right, you are wrong, this, that, it will never end. Then the election commissioner says, no, EVM is great and there's no sense in spending 5 more days in counting. So spend 5 more days in counting by to bring trust back. It is about bringing trust back in the system. It is not about who is right and who is wrong. Okay? Can people of India feel that this is the right thing to do? Ask people of India. Don't ask me. Ask people of India, should we go to paper ballot? But you can't ask only your people and tell them what to answer. And they say, we asked 100 people and 99 said this. Because that is also fabricated. News is fabricated. Media is controlled. Institutions are seized. What do you do in an environment like that? Okay. So if you want to empower people, you just have to go back to these 2 things.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि तमाम डिफिकल्टीज को देखते हुए आपको बड़ी उम्मीद है कि हम अगले चुनाव तक लोकतंत्र को स्ट्रेंथन कर लेंगे, ट्रांसपेरेंसी बना देंगे, कम खर्चीला बना देंगे और लोगों को एम्पावर करेंगे. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका सैम पित्रोदा साहब.
This is my wish list, भैया. Okay, I don't know whether it will happen or not, but if as a concerned old man, I would request all of us to use next opportunity to really build confidence in our democracy. Thank you.
Thank you.